This could be the show of shows.
Yeah.
I'm serious. I hope we're taping this for, this could be sold on eBay one day. No, I'm just joking. All right, so we're making a Bruschetta Napolitano pasta.
Okay.
Just arrived at the Rouses from Italy are all these amazing, authentic Italian products. Garnishments, for example, the grilled artichoke hearts, calabrese peppers, all right? Let me give you a little bit of history with a calabrese. I get excited about this right here, and you can be excited too for only $19.99. No, but anyway, living in Italy for many years, I lived on the island of Sicily. Calabria is the southernmost part of Italy. That's where they're going to grow the hot peppers for all the Italy.
Right.
And they ship it all over the world. Well, these are the actual authentic calabrese peppers. The heat is a sweet heat. It rises really fast. All right, it's these right here. It rises really fast and then it stops. All right.
I'm impressed with the calorie count too. Only 30 calories for these products. Like, that's pretty impressive. Those are just true natural ingredients.
And that's all you get in true natural. And then you have the pesto. You have the red pesto, Genovese pesto. You have the black olive bruschetta, and you have the peppers and ricotta bruschetta. Really, these are amazing, authentic, genuine, flown in right from Italy.
So cool. So Chef Nino always says, why get a passport when you can see and taste the world at your local Rouses markets? And that's what we are doing today. You're making this pasta dish. So tell me about the ingredients we have this morning.
Thank you so much. We started off with some Rouses Italian sausage, all right, seasoned perfectly with all the Italian seasonings, the star anise and all of that, but not overbearing. Really nice. See, we took it out of the casing, all right, and we just sauteed it down till it's cooked. You can leave it in the casing, cook it and slice it however you want. Okay. Now we're gonna actually put in our multicolored bell peppers and our yellow onion. And the exact measurements can be found on fox10tv.com. Am I doing good?
You're doing so well.
Yeah.
2 stars and 2 thumbs up for you today, Chef Nino.
I know. You're like, how does he do it?
I do ask that quite a lot.
You want to know why they let him do it. I know that's what you're saying.
He's always a lot of fun. So when we come back after this short break, Chef Nino, what are we doing next?
We're going to put in our Rouses cherry tomatoes, some garlic, artichoke hearts, sun-dried tomatoes, calabrese peppers, and we got bruschetta Napolitano pasta over some Rouses bow tie pasta. I was going to say rainbow, so that's what I see. It's a bow tie.
The bow tie rainbow pasta. That's next on Studio 10. We'll also have more about what's going on at your local Rouses, and you can find more at rouses.com. Michael.
Welcome back into Studio 10. We're here in the Studio 10 kitchen with Chef Nino with Rouses Markets, and we're making, what is it?
Bruschetta Napolitana pasta.
I will let you say the
just
name,
ask Chelsea. She knows.
Oh, she butchered it, though.
But I'm trained in Italian language with the rolling the R's and the.
I got it now. I got it.
But you got it now. You did good.
Thank
Now,
you.
I've got this. This is Rouses Markets deals you got coming up, and you got a lot of stuff, right?
Man, you got to see this. We're live, so this is good through Wednesday. I got to tell you, wild caught yellowfin tuna, $9.99 a pound.
Wow.
All right. Avocados, 4 for $1. Prime beef boneless sirloin, $6.99 a pound. 98 cents a pound sirloin chops. Get to your Rouses, get a paper, you're going to save money. And with these rising gas prices, which you're not going to spend at the grocery store at Rouses, you can fill up your tank.
That's true.
I'm telling you, unbelievable deal.
The money you're spending on fuel, you can make up the difference in the cost by getting cheaper groceries at Rouses, and they got some great deals.
I got gas this morning for $1.27.
Oh, what did it?
Fast food restaurant.
I was about to say
drive-through.
How much gas just through the drive-through? $1.27 can just get you around the block.
Yeah, I know. Let's get going here. I didn't know whether or not you was gonna participate.
Oh.
Come on now, come on.
I feel like Joe is here.
I know. No. So we're making bruschetta Napolitano pasta.
Okay. Showcasing
the new Italian food products straight from Italy, the artichoke hearts, sun-dried tomatoes, the different pestos, et cetera. So, and also our Rouses Italian sausage. We took it out of the casing, sauteed it with some multicolored bell peppers and onions. Now we're ready to assemble it. Okay.
And this is a great way for people to test the color settings on their television to make sure they're tuned exactly right.
I love
because
color.
the dish is so colorful.
It really is. Yeah. And this is our Rouses cherry tomatoes.
Okay.
And this is what the sun-dried tomatoes look like. And so what we did, we finally chopped them, actually running through a food processor. And our grilled artichoke hearts, all right? Folks, you can't get no more Italian than this right here. And I want you to try this. Of course, I don't know if you're going to be on the
You want me to
second.
give it a try? Okay.
Not right
well,
now.
Chelsea
but,
will be on the next one.
Okay, yeah. Well, maybe you can jump into. All right.
So
Now,
what exactly do we need to do once we're completed with the stirring? Like what else? Because it looks like it's almost done.
it's almost done. What I'm going to do, I'm going to lower the heat. And
Okay.
I want all those flavors to kind of simmer and come together. The juices from the sausage and the spices from the sausage, the combination of the sauteed bell peppers and onions, it's going to really kind of emit those juices. All the flavors going to come together, especially with the artichoke hearts and the sun-dried tomatoes. Now, the ingredient, the last ingredient we're going to put is our calabrese peppers. And you're going to put that on to taste. Remember, a little bit goes a long way, but it's not overpowering. It's not like a habanero pepper.
Now, you said the P word. So, I mean, how much of a kick are we talking here?
Well, we're talking about, it's mild. The heat rises quickly, but it stops.
Okay.
And it's almost like a sweet flavor. It accentuates pretty much any dish, meat, pasta, rice, whatever. Good on anything.
I like that. That was
It
a good.
really
That was
is.
a good way. That you could be just totally feeding me a line, and it could be just
You could take-
so hot it burns my mouth off. But you sold. But the point is, you sold it, and I like
I
that.
did. Oh, I'm not through yet. Oh, I
you're
got
not?
more with that.
Okay.
You don't want none of this. Don't open that. Do not shake the contents of this right here.
So all these great deals in your paper are available through Wednesday. You said at Rouses.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And people can pick all of the ingredients up at any Rouses, and you guys have specials going all the time, right?
All the time. And with the muscle power of 67 stores.
67.
Rouses
Wow.
can offer the savings to the customer.
I love it.
That's right. And with these spices and herbs and also the food products from Italy, you can take the mundane and make it miraculous.
I like that.
You can take the
M to
ordinary
M.
and make it extraordinary.
Yes.
I told you I got more where that came from.
Oh, and believe me, he does.
Trust
And
me.
I know we're going to put all the information on our website, fox10tv.com, right under the Studio 10 tab. And Nino, we'll see you coming up in about 20 minutes.
Yes,
Sound good?
sir. Yes, sir. This is simmering.
I love it. Oh, and you can just tell that all those ingredients are coming together.
You see how it's kind of melting, so to speak, and
Yeah.
making that juice, that gravy. I wish y'all was here with us.
He's getting me hungry. Like I said, the man is a salesman. We'll check in with you in just a bit, Nino.
And thank you, Michael. Thank
Chelsea.
y'all.
Welcome back to Studio 10. Lunch is almost ready. Chef Nino is live with us this morning, and you have made quite the dish.
You're going to love this Bruschetta Napolitano pasta. I just want to show you the last step, okay? All the vegetables, the bell peppers, the artichokes, the sun-dried tomatoes have cooked down with our Rouses Italian sausage, and it's made this kind of sauce, if you would. Because when you think of a pasta gravy or a sauce, you think of a red gravy. Well, this makes its own unique sauce, and I just wanted to show that to you. All those vegetables and herbs and spices have come together. Now, the finishing touch is our calabrese peppers, all right?
And for folks who are just now tuning in, you were explaining to Michael just a second ago, this is kind of like a slow heat.
Slow heat, that's right. It rises fairly quickly, but it stops. And then it has like a natural sweetness, and then it accentuates and complements anything you put it on. Calabrese peppers, finest peppers in the world.
What's your favorite thing to put it on?
When I'm making a tomato gravy,
Yeah.
that, a little bit on gumbo. You can put a little bit on some whatever rice you got, literally anything. Steak, finish it off. Any kind of, let's say, Asian dish, Indian dish, whatever. It
All
goes
the
well.
dishes.
Yes.
All the peppers.
Now this is ready to plate. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Well,
I
as soon
don't
as the
know.
medicine takes effect, okay, all right, we're good now. Okay.
I bet folks at home are like, what is up with this guy? We don't know, but we love him, and he makes great food. So
Thank you, thank you,
That's
thank
why
you.
he's here. I'm going to try this out real quick. You've got some cheese. Ooh.
Parmigiano Reggiano, flown in from Italy. Rouses gets it in that big wheel. It's a 2 feet by about 3.5 feet, 75-pound wheel. You know it takes 600 quarts of milk to make that one wheel?
I did not realize
This is
that.
the finest cheese in the world right here, Parmigiano Reggiano.
Chef Nino, fun fact, I say this all the time, one of his favorite meals that he makes is your Alfredo, and that's what it's so simple, but he makes it with this cheese, and it's the heart and soul of that, and it is so delicious.
And you make that now, huh? It's
I
so
do
simple.
make it's so simple.
Well,
and
everybody's so busy. You don't
Right.
want to like cook from scratch. It takes you an hour, you know?
Right.
Everybody's busy.
So if you want to try that or see the recipe, it's on our website, fox10tv.com, under the Studio 10 tab. Tell me what's going on at Rouses.
And make sure you go to Rouses between now and Wednesday to get that Gulf tuna, local Gulf yellowfin tuna, $9.99 a pound, sirloin pork chops 98 cents a pound, prime boneless sirloin $6.99, all kind of things. Too many to mention in our short time here. Check it out at any one of your local Rouses. Oh yeah. Oh, do I get the thumbs up? You know, I can tell when she really likes it in her face and her smile, right? I mean, and I can tell when she kind of tolerates it. Okay, we're going or whatever, you know. She likes this.
It's so good. It has that slow heat, the Italian sausage, amazing with all of those veggies in there. You've got to make this week. And of course, remember all the things going on at Rouses. For more information, where can they?
Rouses.com, Fox and TV, and make sure you get loaded up on these authentic, genuine, fine Italian products here, flown right in from Italy.
All right, I have my lunch for the day. It's all set, and it's delicious too. So we'll have more on our website. Let's go ahead and get a check of the weather.